everyone, welcome back to our channel, and our featured property for today is a modern design residential located in one of the sought-after subdivisions here in Angeles City. So if you are looking for a property in close proximity to major business establishment, a 30-minute drive to Clark International Airport, and a quick 10-minute drive to North Luzon Expressway, well, this property is for you. So stay tuned, and please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is Rosanna, and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. And as you can see sa ating mga videos, this is a corner lot with a lot area of 226 square meters, and our floor area is 296.20 square meters. Makita niyo dyan sa ating video, corner lot with fence. Meron tayong mga wood accent sa mga fence natin, and also yung mga metal fence din natin. Pagpasok natin dito sa ating entrance gate, there you go. Ito yung iyong porch. It's wide porch. And then, dito na yung ating, we have a mini garden. Few steps lang. Ito yung sa ating intro. This is your free-formed pool area. So, when you say free-form, wala siyang corners. So, parang nga siyang infinity na medyo nag-sway ng konti. Di ba yung infinity very number 8, pero this one, free-form talaga siya. The pool side, it's spacious. You can put stools here, table. This side actually, dito yung dining area natin. And what I like about it, meron tayong reflective clear glass window. Makikita niyo dyan, reflective clear glass window. So that reflective clear glass window, it helps with yun nga, sa init ng araw, instead na diretso siyang papasok sa bahay, magre-reflect siya. So it helps with yung pag-cool down nung ano natin, nung ating property sa loob. Dito rin sa bandang side na to. This side, meron ka pang space if you want to add more tables, pwede ka pa maglagay dito. If you want to have your coffee table here, pwede rin. And you also have a small space for your garden pa. This is also provision for a garden kung gusto mong dagdag pa ng mga plants. Dito sa side na to, we have a door. And this door goes to your dirty kitchen laundry area and going inside sa formal kitchen natin. Pakita natin yon pagpasok natin. And before tayo pumunta dun sa ating carport, ito yung, ang ganda lang nung pagkakadesign ng property kasi na-maximize niya yung corner natin. This is your shower area. And then this one, nandito yung pool pump mo. And as you can see, meron tayong mga breeze blocks dito para ayun, yung airflow natin, free airflow lang tayo. Bukod sa, ang ganda kasi hindi siya covered. So, sobrang price ko naman din niya. Saka this one, I think it's good for aesthetics din. Tapos, hindi gaanong kita yung nasa loob. Diba? May konting pasilip lang siya. Alright, this side, galing na tayo dito kanina. Tignan nyo yung mga windows natin. These are all reflective clear glass window. It's one of the good features po ng property na ito. Before tayo pumasok, mamaya ka na nga papakita to. Sa carport na muna tayo. Your carport, 2-car carport, fully covered, and automated yung gate natin. Itong daan na to, this goes to your, pakita ko ang gano'ng kaluwang. Luwang niya, di ba? This goes to your dirty kitchen, yung sa kanina, kasi pwede mo ikutin yung property. So yung sa side kanina, meron kayong daanan pareho going to the other side. So, pwede mo siyang ikutin. And let's go back to our carport. Gusto ko yung back to our carport. Ang cute nung center light natin dyan. And you have sockets there. So, spacious yung carport natin, hindi lang sa luwang, pati dun sa haba. There. Okay? Ito yung iyong porch. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron kang space dito. Pwede ka maglagay ng plant. Pwede ka maglagay ng shoe rack kung gusto mo ng shoe rack dyan. Or you can add more, yun nga, plants. Sa ating wide door, so this is your wide door. And makita mo mataas siya. And you also have a smart lock. So card, password, and I think fingerprint. At meron din siyang 3D face recognition. So, ayan po. This is your solid door. Ayan. Pagpasok natin, this is not furnished, but sobrang luwang ng space natin. So, ma-excite kayo if you want it, if you want to hire an interior designer, marami kayong magagawa sa loob. Kaya, check na natin. And this is your, guys, look. Nakita nyo naman kung gaano kainit sa labas, diba? Pero look kung gaano how do you say it? Hindi pumapasok yung init because of the reflective clear glass window. Diba? Kung hindi yan reflective clear glass window, talagang sobrang init na yan pag pumasok yung yung sun rays. Ano bang pinagsasabi ko? So this is your living area. You can see, ayan, yung ating mga windows. You can put blinds, curtain, pwede rin. Pero you know what? I-reiterate ko lang talaga yung reflective clear glass window. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung effect niya dito sa loob. High ceiling living area. Makikita nyo yung ating cutie na chandelier dyan. Parang pang-Olympics yung chandelier natin. And meron tayong wood accent sa ating ceiling. Your living area, you have your TV rack, your TV console. Tapos ito yung iyong, pwede mo siyang i-mount dito or pwede mo namang ipatong dito ang iyong TV. Next, this is your dining area. Maluwang ang dining area natin. Kahit 10-seater na dining set, kasya. Kung gusto mong round, pwede rin. Ample ang space natin. Dahil sa may living area natin, maluwang siya. Pwede rin yung rectangular. And ito yung, this goes to your pool area. Kaya, if you want to extend your, kita nyo yan, pag binuksan mo, di ba, yung pasok ng araw. But if you close it, yan, ganyan ka-importante at ganyan ka-beneficial ang ating clear glass window. Okay, kitchen area. Your breakfast nook, of course, this is included. Everything you see sa ating house tour included po ito. Hindi ko na muna sila papupuntahin dito dahil meron pa tayong box here. May mga in-install pa kasi na mga, I think, aircon. So I'll start with the breakfast nook. Ang spacious niya. And what I like about it, usually sa mga breakfast nook, meron tayong mga drop lights, pendant lights. At this time, yung mismo LED strip natin, yun na yung nagsisilbing light natin dito sa ating breakfast nook. Ang ganda, di ba? It's not very modern siya, tapos hindi pa siya cluttered. Tignan kasi walang nakasabit. So, I have nothing against sa mga nakasabit na mga pendant lights natin. They're pretty, pero ang ganda lang kasi ng atake nito. I think 3 or 4, kasya po dyan. White quartz countertop. You have a modern design na sink. Pakita ko yung ating stove. And of course, modern tayo, di ba? Ito ang ating, di ba? Kasi yung mga ibang, what do you call this, yung mga range hood na iba, mayroon yung napupukpok, di ba? At this one, yung shape niya, it's very comfortable, lalo na kung matangkad ka. Na hindi siya basta-basta tumatama. Ang ganda naman nito. Balik natin. Alright. Your splashboard. Madali pong linisan. May mga task light din tayo dyan. Of course, your cabinets. May mga pull-out tayo dito. For your dishes. Ayan. Ayan dyan. I think ilalagay pa yung iba. Siguro ito yung nandito. Meron din doon sa kabila. Hindi lang tayo masyado makagalaw because of the box. And then you also have here, kung ako ang titira dito, this is going to be my coffee corner. Coffee machine, lahat ng klase ng coffee machine. Meron pa ang French press lahat. Kasi parang perfect niya, di ba? Dito. Pero kung kayo, comment nyo sa baba kung anong balak nyo dyan. Kung anong gusto nyong ilagay dyan sa corner na yan. Pero sa akin, perfect yung coffee machine dyan. Di ba? Ayan. And then this is your pantry. For your condiments. Diba? Ang cute. Space saver. And then, these are included. You have your oven and your microwave. Itong door na to, this door goes to your auxiliary kitchen and your laundry area. Alright. Laundry area. So guys, may mga inaayos pa, kaya may mga gamit po tayo dyan. Handito ang iyong, that's your laundry area. This is your dirty kitchen, auxiliary kitchen, or service area. Pwede ka maglagay ng stove dito. You also have socket there. Yung side na yon, dun yung kaninang lumabas ako. Ito. Dito yung lumabas ako kanina. This can be your drying area, or kung gusto mong i-extend dito yung laundry area mo, pwede rin naman. Because you have faucet dito. Ito yung going to your carport. Pakita ko sa inyo. Dito yung kanina. And di ba sabi ko kanina, maiikot mo yung property. So pagpasok mo dito, this one goes to your pool area. Ayan. So pwede mo ikutin yung property. Ito di ba ang luwang? Alright, pasok na tayo. And favorite ko talaga to. Sobrang favorite ko to. Saray natin to. Side-by-side refrigerator. And of course, isa pang maganda dito sa property na to, meron na siyang bedroom sa ating ground floor. This is your first bedroom. For first bedroom, ayan. Meron kang built-in cabinet. This can be your vanity area. This is definitely your vanity area kasi may vanity mirror siya. And tignan mo yung built-in cabinet mo. Oh. Diba? See? Ang dami mong ilalagay dyan. May ilaw pa. And then you have this for your watches, jewelry. So kung halimbawa you're the owner and ayaw mo dun sa taas, pwede ka rin dito. Kasi ample lang space mo. And under your stairwell, of course, i-maximize ang space ng ating property. Pagpasok mo, this is your full bath. You have your vessel type sink, vanity mirror, your toilet, your shower area with stainless steel shower set. At meron ka pa ang storage area dito. Pakilamerang. May mga gamit siya, may mga ilaw. So makita mo talaga na ang dami mo pang ilalagay. Okay? Akyat na tayo para makita pa natin yung mga ibang rooms natin. Staircase, or stairwell, wood handrail, and then metal and glass railing. Let's go. Ang ganda ng landing kasi wide. Hindi masikip. Diba? Safe for kids, for the elderly. Have, ang ganda nito kasi kung halimbawa gusto mong buksan, some kasi fixed siya, diba? Some windows, naka-fix siya, hindi mo mabubuksan. This one, pwede mong buksan. Dito na tayo sa aking left. Ano to? Yung, ang luwang. Your bedroom. And gusto ko yung, guys, look at the tiles. Ang cute, no? Gusto ko yung mga ganyang, ako lang naman. Baka lang gusto nyo, pero ang ganda ng mga ganyang klaseng design sa mga bedrooms. Parang ang cozy lang. Tapos hindi siya, ano sila, plank sila. Luwang, queen size bed, kasya po. Meron ka ring built-in cabinet. In fairness sa built-in cabinets nila, ang lalaki. Some kasi, they just parang half lang nito. But this one ang laki. Aircon is included. This side, maluwang pa. No? You can put a shoe rack here if you want. Pwede ka maglagay na shoe rack. Next, you have your full bath. It is an enclosed shower area. You have your vessel type sink. You have your vanity mirror. Oy, ang atake ng niche niya, oh. Diba? Ang thoughtful po nito. Like, some kasi they just, ganito lang, walang ilaw. Pero ito, ganda. Diba? Ang ganda pala ng effect ng may ilaw dito. Tignan mo yung shower area mo. Rain shower, baka mo, talagang parang rain yan. Kasi nasa taas. Kung mapapansin nyo, fix siya dyan. So meaning, ang ating water heater, multi-point siya. When you say multi-point, nandito siya sa connect sa ilalim nitong vessel type sink. So even your sink, your faucet, hot and cold na siya. Just like this one, hot and cold na. Nice. Okay, next. Dito tayo sa ating next room. Another bedroom. Same size nung isa. Ay, meron tayong ano pa dito. Mukhang kakalagay lang ng aircon. Ito, this is mas maliit ng konti dun sa kabila. But, spacious pa rin siya. Kasya pa rin ng queen size bed dito. Pero kung gusto mo yung talagang maluwang ka, mas madami kang malagay na cabinets or bedside drawer or computer, you know, if you're a student, a twin bed is good para sa mga ganun. But queen size, ano na siya, kasya pa rin siya. Meron ka mirror and vanity area. Of course, alam mo, binubuksan ko to kasi yung ilaw. Ang ganda. Ang ganda po ng ano nyo, ng inyong mga, tsaka pag binuksan mo siya, hanggang doon sa taas, meron kang ilalagay. Some cabinets kasi, sobrang baba lang niya dito. Tapos yung sa taas, diba, hindi siya nasasara. Parang kahit ano gusto mo ilagay. But this one, napaka-neat. Pag bukas mo, lagay ka lang box doon. Pag sinara mo, hindi na siya makikita. Diba? Come on. Alright. This is a flex room. And it's so cutie kasi meron kang full body mirror dyan. Oh, bakit umaatras ka, Sir Darwin? Umaatras, sir. Full body mirror. And this one, flexible kasi yung room na to. This can be a family room. Pasok tayo, guys. Nice, diba? This can be a family room. Pwede mo na siyang gawing office. Or if you need another room, pwede mo siyang gawing room. Pwede mo ito yung TV console mo. And then you have your... nakatago pa yung ano natin. Yung ating full bath. Pagpasok mo sa full bath, same design ng bathroom kanina. Vessel type sink. Also, dito sa room na to, you have an access to a balcony overlooking your pool area. Guys, tignan nyo ulit ha. Nakasara. This has a reflective clear glass window. Pagbukas natin dyan, ang init sa labas. You're overlooking your pool area. Reflective clear glass window. Pagsara mo. Ayan. Diba? Lastly, your master bedroom. High ceiling. Sobrang luwang, guys. Kita mo yung sa TV rack mo dito. King size bed ka siya. Queen size bed. King size bed, tapos maluwang ka pa nandito. And you have your own balcony din. Again, look at your room. Pag binuksan natin yan, diba? Mainit, but go, dito tayo. This is your balcony. So you can put pwede ka dito maglagay ng coffee table, diba? Or couch lang, or rattan swing, pwede rin. And again, reflective clear glass window. Pasok tayo ulit. Diba? Oh. Hindi mainit. And then, meron kang clerestory window sa taas. So, your clerestory window sa taas for your natural light. Let's say you want to put curtain here or blinds. That one, patayin mo yung ilaw. Pakita ko. Gusto kong makita nyo. Look at your clerestory window. So, papatayin natin ng ilaw. Maliwanag pa rin dito sa loob. Knowing this is already like, ano oras na ba? Around going 5 o'clock. So, medyo bumaba na yung wala na masyadong araw, pero maliwanag pa rin sa room. So, yun po ang benefit ng ating clerestory window. You have your vanity area, drawers, and of course, meron ka ring drawer dito. Pero hindi mo ito papansinin, itong drawer mo na to, dahil meron kang walk-in closet. Diba? Meron ka pang additional cabinets here. There. Dito rin, meron ka. At kung mapapansin nyo, sagad yan. Yung buong corner na yan, malalagyan mo yan ng gamit. Dito rin, meron kang mga pwedeng ilagay na bags. And your bathroom is in hers. And I think this is multi-point also. Yes, multi-point. So, hot and cold na po yan. Your shower area, you have a bathtub. Ang ganda. Ang ganda pa ng ilaw dun. Meron ka pang mga stone design dyan. Enclosed shower area na sliding. And same design. Ayun yung shower natin. Ala, ayokong ano, may nakatakip pa kasi, baka tamaan ko. So, yan. Same here. Floor to ceiling tiles. So, makikita mo ang ating bathroom. Wala kang makikitang painted wall lang. Lahat with materials. Tiles, stones, panels. Look at this, ang cute. Semicircular crescent type na mga panels. Ito yung bathtub. At yung bathtub nakasukat. Hindi siya yung pinilit. So talagang dyan po talaga siya. There you go. I think that's it. Baba na tayo para sa ating recap. And for our recap, this is a corner lot modern design home located in one of the sought-after subdivisions in Angeles City with pool area and a open layout. But semi-furnished po tayo. So, yung mga nakita niyo during our house tour, these are all included. What else? Ano pang gusto ko dito sa property na to? Yung spacious living area niya. So, yung open layout niya gives you the freedom to, to choose your furnitures, yung portions mo, kung gaano kalaki yung gusto mo sa living area mo, sa dining area mo. Yun, parang madali siyang i-customize based on your needs. What else? Hindi talaga ako makamove kasi favorite ko talaga yon sa coffee area. Very, sobrang nice lang talaga nung part na yon dun sa ating kitchen. What else? Gusto ko yung naiikot mo yung property. Diba? Parang mayroong door na access para makaikot ka sa property. Your spacious pool area. Pwede ka makapaglagay ng maraming tables, and also yung mga kids, pwede pa silang maglaro around your that space kasi hindi siya malapit dun sa iyong pool area. Your rooms, you have one room sa iyong ground floor na yun, pwede ka nang tumanda sa property na to dahil hindi lang siya basta-basta room. You have ample space for your stuff dahil malaki yung cabinet natin. Sa taas, meron tayong 3 bedrooms. That includes your master bedroom with a suite toilet and bath. And you have another flex room that can be your family area, office, or entertainment area. Pwede rin yung gym kung gusto mo siyang gawing gym. Meron din yung sarili niyang bathroom and it has its own balcony. Yun din yung gustong-gusto ko doon. Yung ating master bedroom naman, high ceiling, tapos ang daming cabinets. Bukod doon sa walk-in closet, you have cabinet pa doon sa mismo room natin. And of course, you have your own bathtub. What else? What else pa yung special din sa property na to? Some of our properties, pa mga nagtatanong po, ang ating mode of payment po, we have cash and bank financing. For this property, as we mentioned kasi, we feature properties from different builders, different sellers. So this property po, your mode of payments can be cash, bank financing, and they also have their in-house flexible terms. I think up to 25 years to pay. So if you're interested, dun po sa mga nahihirapan sa pag-bank loan, we have, or this property, one of its features yun nga, pwede po sila sa in-house terms or in-house installment. Kaya kung interested po kayo, huwag na po kayo mag-atubiling mag-message po sa amin for your inquiries. You can message us on Facebook, message us on Instagram. But before that pala, yung community, I mentioned kanina na nasa Harchin, Angeles City, 20-minute drive to major business establishment, universities, schools. Ganun po siya kaganda ng location niya. And then, a 30-minute drive to Clark International Airport. Also, a 10-minute drive to North Luzon Expressway. Sa mga umuwi po ng Manila or yung sa madalas gumamit ng expressway, perfect po ang location na ito. And then, it's also open for in-house installment. Kaya yun. Again, kung interested po sila, please contact us on our Facebook page, Blueprint Properties Pampanga, Instagram account, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Follow us on TikTok, BP Pampanga. You can also follow me on TikTok, and you can book your trippings there kahit hindi pa po napopost ang full video natin sa ating YouTube channel. You'll be seeing reels na po sigurado before pa ito ma-post. Kaya kapag nakita nyo na to, baka meron na mga nag-tripping sa inyo. So yun po, message me on TikTok, Enalalu, and also on Instagram. At sa mga wala pong Facebook or sa mga ibang social media handles, we also have different platforms sa ating description. WhatsApp, Viber, and email, and also our numbers are also there. Ayan. So sa mga interested po, ayan, message na po kayo sa amin. So if you like this property, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is Rosena, and we're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house is.